Today we will show you how to install the Garmin Edge power mount onto your e-bike. For this video, we are showing the installation for Bosch E-Bike motor systems. The Edge power mount lets you constantly power your compatible Edge GPS cycling computer so you can capture every e-bike ride from start to finish. For this video, you will need your power mount, the included 2.5mm hex wrench, and a Torx T10 wrench. First, place the power mount onto your handlebars in the position of your choice. You may need to use the rubber cushions included in the box to properly fit the mount to the handlebar. Tighten the mount using the included 2.5mm hex wrench. Route the cable to the motor. You may be able to route it through an available port in the bike's down tube and run it to the motor area. Now attach the power mount cable to the power mount. Next, you will need to remove the motor cover from your e-bike. Some e-bikes might require removing the crank arm from the bike. Remove the screws holding the motor cover in place using the Torx wrench. Then remove the cover from the bike. Now pull the cable through the motor area and attach it to the motor port. The Bosch cable tabs need to align with the port position to install correctly. Reinstall the motor cover. The green light will appear when the power system is turned on. Your Edge will now show it is getting power from the power mount. And that's it. You have successfully installed your power mount on your e-bike. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.